Hello and welcome back to the channel. Really glad to have you here. A while ago I started a series talking about crystal and gemstone healing, and in the last video we talked about ways to meditate using crystals, preferably amber and clear quartz, so you might want to check out the last video. I'll put the link in the description box below if you're interested. In today's video we're also continuing the series by talking about simple crystal healing methods. I hope you find the video helpful, and if you're new to the channel, do check out the videos and subscribe if it resonates. So working with crystal energies involves fine-tuning your intuition and sensitivity to the environment. You can actually start off by focusing on one crystal that you prefer, that you have on hand for the following exercises that we will talk about later in the video. Or alternatively, you can simply work with a stone that you feel is the one that's right for you. Basically, we're going to start off with healing, defining healing. Now, the word healing is derived from an old Germanic root heil, which means complete, whole, or even holy. It's a process by which the body, mind, and spirit are gently balanced to bring a sense of wholeness, oneness with all life. Anyone can actually benefit from healing, provided they're open to receiving it. If you have complex physical problems or deep emotional issues, you are advised to seek the help of a suitably qualified practitioner. For a general balancing and opening your own awareness, you can benefit from working on yourself. So after any exercises, it is really useful to make notes or drawings, and then you'll be able to come back to it at a later date. Healing is an ever unfolding process. So basically, starting off with a pendulum. A pendulum is basically made out of a balanced quart or cut glass point. It's suspended on a chain or a string. Dancing, as it's called, is an ancient art. If you hold the pendulum still and say your real name, it should respond by turning clockwise, as the saying goes. So if you say a false name, it should swing from side to side or turn anti-clockwise. With practice, you will get used to how your pendulum shows yes or no. You can then sit and touch each chakra area from the base to the crown with one hand, asking if that level needs energy, and watching the pendulum swing in response. You can also simply hold the pendulum over a stone and ask if it is the right one to use at this time. So when you're working with a single crystal, you need to prepare your space, clear away everyday clutter, light a candle and perhaps some incense. Select a suitable stone for yourself by intuition, dancing, or by consulting the chart that you can also find online. I will put a link in the box description below of a crystal chart if you're interested. And then you will need to really sit quietly holding the crystal in your hands. You breathe deeply and you relax. Take your awareness into your body and note any tensions. Use your breath, simply dissolve them like clouds in a blue sky. Then take your awareness into your stone, to its color, shape, and feeling in your hands. Relax and see what impressions or feelings come to you for a few minutes. To come out of the process, take a few deep breaths and gently stretch your arms and hands. So when you're holding the crystal in your hand, it can really help to fine-tune your intuition. What exactly are you expecting from this mineral? Now we're going to talk about crystals and using them on your body. And with a guided meditation, we're going to use rose quartz as an example here. Lie down comfortably on a mat on the floor. Place a piece of rose quartz over your heart and relax, slowly breathing away any tension in your body. Silently and gently focus your intention on opening and expanding the energies in your heart chakra. Breathe into the heart area and visualize the rose quartz crystal shining the light of unconditional love into your whole being. Now visualize that rosy ray expanding beyond you to include all life forms. To end the exercise, take a few slow, deep breaths and then flex your fingers and toes before slowly getting up. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let us know in the comments box description below. We'd love to hear from you. Check out the channel, see if it resonates, and subscribe